How to use Newegg promo codes. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and here search for Newegg promo codes. Then press enter. Now on the search results, you're going to find different websites that is going to offer you the promo code for Newegg. Click on any one of the websites. I have clicked on the one called couponfollow.com. Here you want to click on the option of show coupon code for the one that you want to use. Now over here you can learn all the details here. Below you can also find offer details. Check out all the details, and if you want to use this, click on the copy option next to your promo code. Then click on the option of redeem at Newegg. This is going to take you to the official website of Newegg. Here, the first step you want to do is log into your account. For that, you simply want to enter all of your credentials. Now, once you have been logged into your account, you simply want to explore the website and then add the items in your cart. Once you have added all the items that you want to purchase in your cart, click on the cart icon. Once you click on it, over here you will be able to find all the items that you have added. Now click on the option of secure checkout. Then on the checkout page, you will find a box called apply promo code. You simply want to paste the Newegg promo code that you have copied. Then click on the apply option. After that, your promo code is going to be applied and you're going to find your discounted amount here. Then you simply want to proceed with the rest of the checkout method, and that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.